Hello lovelies, welcome to Jimmy's Kitchen. Today I'll be making dirty rice, so come with me. I used to have a neighbor friend years ago who was also my colleague at work. She was a workaholic, she was hardworking. But one thing that struck me the most about her was the fact that she failed to take care of herself, even when she had so much. Or so I thought. She denied herself the good life. She denied herself the basic things. She ate so poorly. She got really low grade things. She bought food that didn't even look edible. She was managing everything. But later on, she died. When she died, over 4 million naira was found in her account. And people were wondering, how come she had so much money and she died that way? And to think of it, she died of cholera. Do you know what? People who didn't work for the money were the ones that spent it. One of her siblings, we heard, even got himself a car. In her days, she jumped bike. She couldn't even get a car. Maybe she couldn't afford it at that time. I wouldn't know. So many people still do not understand that life is to be lived and it is once. You see, nothing feels good like taking care of yourself if you have the capacity to. My darling, it is a deserving treat with no clause. If you have the capacity, eat good food, buy good stuff. You deserve to spoil yourself with life edibles at least moderately what you can afford. Even if you cannot afford so much, make sure the little you have, spend it according to what you can afford. When you work, you deserve to spoil yourself. This, in a way, gives you more chances to live. Make life comfortable for yourself, because this is the best way you can give to yourself by yourself, because nobody can. Only if we all know what life is, it is a borrowed time. So, my dear, decide today to live life to the fullest. Eat good food, dress properly, look good. If you cannot afford so much, do the little you can, because life is only to be lived once. I hope you've enjoyed this story. So back to our recipe. This is dirty rice. It's called dirty rice because the rice turns a dirty brown color while cooking with the diced meats and spices. So it is also called Cajun rice or rice dressing. But they are all the same variations of the same dishes. So you can just use different type of meats or different type of veggies in it, just achieve the same results. I hope you'll be trying this out. Thank you for watching. Please do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel till I come your way next time. Bye.